Hi. After you turn in an assignment on Turnitin, I give you some feedback on that assignment. I give you a grade, but I also make some comments, and the Turnitin program itself can also make some comments on there for you. So I want to show you how you can go in and look at the feedback, because the feedback is useless unless you look at it to improve your next version of the essay, or unless you do it for the next essay that is assigned. First of all, I want to show you up here at the top where it says this course. You can click on that, and underneath that you can go down to the Turnitin assignments. This way you don't have to look through all the tabs to find where you turn something in at. Okay, and so there are two assignments here: Graded Core Essay 1, which we have not turned in yet because it is not due yet, and the introduction paragraph. And so the introduction paragraph is the one I'm going to click on, because that is the one that has comments on it. Okay, so I am doing this under a test student. This is not any of your paragraphs, but is something that I uploaded under this test student so I could show you. Where it says submission title, introduction, that's where you want to click. Whatever you named your document is what you will click on for the submission title. Once you click on that and turn it in, brings your document up, and it's a little bit slow, but it will eventually bring it up. As soon as as it comes up like this, there it is, you can see these purple comments, and then you can see this blue one. The purple comments are put in by the Turnitin program. And so Denver, Colorado are proper nouns, and they need capital letters. Christmas is a proper noun, needs a capital letter. Here's a missing comma right here before the but, when you're joining two sentences together with a coordinating conjunction but. And here is a blue comment that I put on there, and the blue comment says you did not make the minimum word requirement. Remember, whatever the minimum word requirement was for this, it was not attained. Anything else that I see on there, I would make for you also. Over here on the side, you can bring up the ETS comments, the purple. That is what you can see here with the Turnitin. And then the red would be anything in here that is a similarity problem. So if you have incorrectly quoted something or put in a reference for something incorrectly and accidentally plagiarized, or just outright plagiarized, this will tell you what the similarity is. Of course, this one is 0, so you don't even have to worry about that. Once you go over here, also you can click on the instructor feedback, and when the instructor feedback comes up, you can view the rubric there. So when you click on view the rubric, it will take you, it will come up with the rubric in just a moment. It's a little bit slow today for some reason. So when the rubric comes up, it will explain to you each section that you got some feedback on, and it will tell you what your score was. So here are the scores down here. 20 was a superior, and 20 is what was given there. 15 here, content analysis and supporting evidence, also got a 15. So the reason that got that was because it did not meet the minimum word requirement. So you can go and look at the document all the way down. I can't seem to scroll down right now, but and see what the whole rubric looks like, how I arrived at the score. And sometimes I may make a comment here, and you can see that too. Total score for this paragraph was an 85. So that's how you use turn it in to get feedback. This is only available after I have graded it. So I want you to go back and look at the comments that Turnitin made, the comments that I made, and see how you can improve the document and for resubmission. Or at least improve for the next essay or the next assignment that we have for Turnitin, so that you can, so that it'll be a better product. Because we learn from the feedback. Otherwise, the feedback is pretty useless. Just a number, and it doesn't really mean anything. But take the time to look at the remarks. And in fact, I can tell if you have looked at your remarks or not. Looked at the feedback. I get a little icon by your name if you have looked at it. So do that, take advantage of it, and it's just another way that that this program can help you be a better student.